Hey, good afternoon, Mep here, Mep Investments. Bringing you a video on some option trades that I've done during the week. Um, the one that's been a lot of talk on has been First Republic Bank of San Francisco. Um, they had some news that basically the bank was basically collapsing, and they actually, let's see if there's some news here on it. First Republic plans to raise cash by selling shares privately. Um, so this is one of the banks that was basically in big trouble. We also had news now that UBS is in talks to take over all or part of Credit Suisse. So we'll see here in the next less than 3 hours until the futures open to see what how the market reacts. So people ask me, are you buying banks? What do you do with banks? The only banks that I've really nibbled on are the ones that are too big to fail, like Bank of America. Nibbled a little bit on that one. It's a 52-week low, and dividend is about 3.16. JP Morgan, another one too big to fail. Um, let's see what the yield is. The dividend of 4%. Oh no, sorry, 3.18. Nibbled a little bit on them. Um, and the other ones are all speculation plays. Uh, First Republic was one of the most actively traded options here in bar chart. I'm a bar chart premier member. There's a lot of cool things you can do on bar chart. Um, I can download this Excel spreadsheet and sort the most actives um, here in Excel. I can play with it. These are the most actives. I can sort them by IV rank, being that I look for high stuff. So Bank of America has IV, Wells Fargo, Ally, PacWest. All the banks are in the, look at these IV ranks, 100. So the IV rank is their historic price of options for the past year, and at 100 it's the highest. So meaning that the premiums that you can get as an option seller are great, and you'd rather be a net seller of options than a buyer, because remember, options decay; they're a decaying asset. So unless you can buy something really low, and there's a couple that I did buy, um, I'm usually just a net seller of options. So what did I do in First Republic? I did an iron condor, and I'll show you for, I'm down $27. I collected on it, FRC. I collected $1.05. And what I did was here on this diagram, this is the Tasty Trade platform. You can see IV rank. It says here 174. In Thinkorswim it has 100. I did normal iron condor, and I think I did it out in April 23rd. Sorry, back to this one. April 23rd. So we're gonna move our expirations to April. Is it April 23rd? I'm sorry, April 21st. April. Let me see. I'm sorry. April 21st. My bad, guys. The 23 is the year. April 21st. My bad. So April 21st. So this one right here, and I did the 12 and a half, 10, because they're saying that these guys probably can go bye bye. So I did 10 and 12 and a half. So my risk to the downside is the width of the spread, which is $2.50. 10 minus 12.50, 250, minus what I collected, $1.05 is my risk. So 250 minus 105. I had to add the period. I could probably show you in the Analyze tab It was $1.45. Let me see, analyze tab. It should show us here. Let me see here. Gotta bring these strikes in so you can see what I'm talking about. So you see, if it stays between 12.50, well, actually above the credit I collected, so I collected $1.05, so let's say 12.50 plus $1.05, 13.55 would be my break even at expiration, more or less. If it stays between this gap, I can either stay and collect my $105, or I can buy it back for half, $50, let's say. And this is my upside risk, 395. My downside risk is 145, the difference of the width of the spread. To the top end, I have $5 spread. So 105 minus 5 is 395 to the upside, and to the downside, 145. So that's First Republic Bank, San Francisco. And that's what I have. 33 days out is an iron condor. I could have probably collected more, but I really went out strikes. Right now, this probability of profit, actually, let me go out to show you 70, 75, 70. I'm gonna grab the other one that I sold. And we're gonna go to 7. Is it 65 or 70, 75? So that's one. So this is my trade right here. Right now it's trading at $1.32. It's saying that my probability of profit is 34. I really couldn't go much lower on these strikes. Let me see. I guess I could have gone down here. The expected move is 46. It's gonna be 46 up or down. It could go bankrupt. It can go belly up. Like Signature got closed and Silicone went bankrupt. But that's my trade on FRC. It's an iron condor, and there's a lot of plays to be had in these high volatile bank names. Hope you liked the video. See you later. Like, subscribe, and I'll try and do some more videos. Bye bye.